Welcome to Suvarnabhumi International Airport Transportation Guide. This video will collect all mode of transportations, whatever taxi, bus, trains, van, or go to upper province. You will find all the information right here in this video. There are many taxi service available in airport. Let's start with public taxi service, which is located at first floor outside gate 4 and 7. There are three types of taxi service available, which is star taxi, regular taxi, and short distance taxi. You can choose the service line that best suits your needs and book a taxi using the machines. The machine will give you a ticket with your taxi line number. This area will have staff to assist you in all process, so you don't have to worry about using service. For those looking for a more premium taxi, there are CABB VIP Taxi service, which is located at first floor gate 4. You will find a counter with staff to assist you. Also, there are electric taxi VIP service, which is located at first floor gate 4. You will find a counter with staff to assist you. Next, airport rail links. This guide tends to lead you into Bangkok City. It is located at the middle of the B4. You can follow the sign of people to find it. The rail link provides direct access to Bangkok City and BTS. It has stops as shown on the maps. The journey takes around 30 minutes, so it's a great way to get into the Bangkok City. Please be note that the ticket machine accepts only cash and coin, so make sure you have enough on hand. This service offers routes that take you direct into Bangkok City and connect you to other transportation modes as the BTS and MRT. If you are looking for an affordable and convenient way to reach Bangkok City, the airport rail link is the best choice. I highly recommend these transportation options. There are many bus service available here. Let's start with bus service at airport terminal. There are buses one line located at first floor outside gate 7. It's only cost 60 baht and available from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. This bus stop at Suvarnabhumi Airport, Khao San Road, and Sanam Luang. There is other bus company available, Elephant Airport Express. The counter located at first floor gate 7. This service offers 3 routes with various schedules to choose from. Also, there are Limo Bus service available here. The counter located at first floor gate 7. This service offers 2 routes with various schedules to choose from. There are various transportation services available at the bus terminal. To begin, there is a shuttle bus service that offers routes between the airport terminal and bus terminal. This free shuttle bus is operated to transport between the bus terminal and airport terminal. Once you are at the bus terminal, you will have a variety of transportation options to choose from. Let's begin with the public bus service that will take you to the city. The bus station located at the right side of the area, and you can easily identify the route number displayed at the top of each bus. I have provided a summary of the bus route in the information. If you are unsure about which route to take, there are counters with staff available to help you to choose the best route for your journey. Next, there is van service available to take you to the city. The van station located at the left side of the area, and you can easily identify the route number displayed at the top of each van line. I have also provided a summary of the van route in the information. If If you are unsure about which route to take, there are counter with staff available to help you to choose the best route for your journey. Next, there is the public bus service for your journey to upper province of Thailand. If you are traveling to other parts of Thailand, there are some offer transportation service to popular destinations such as Hua Hin and Pattaya. This service located at the right side of the area, and you can easily spot the route number displayed at the top of each bus. I have also provided a summary of the bus route in the information. If you are unsure about which route to take, there are counter with staff available to help you to choose the best route for your journey. There are transportation service to upper province such as Hua Hin, Pattaya and Koh Samui inside airport terminal. You can find this service at first 4 gate 7. We hope this Suvarnabhumi International Airport Transportation Guide would make your experience here a little easier. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Safe travel!